Hello everyone. Good day po sa inyong lahat. Yesterday, we installed the rebar on this area for the preparation of the concrete pouring. This is flooring, huh? So yesterday night or last night, we poured the concrete. And now it's almost 24 hours, and we need to cut the construction joint because if the concrete is become hard from 6 to 18 hours, so we need to cut the construction joint. Because if we don't cut it, it is prone of cracking. So it's very difficult if we have a lot of cracks. So we need to avoid these cracks. So this is the reason why we have a concrete cutter here. We need to cut the construction joint. So in our plan, we need to cut 6 meter center to center of the column. So this is our plan here. So if you see here, this is our hard-working manpower. So we already completed the other columns, and the remaining is only 7 lines. So we need to complete it now. It is very urgent because if we did not cut it by today, most probably tomorrow we will see the cracks. So we don't want the cracks to pass in the center. It is mandatory that we need to complete the cutting of the joint, construction joint, by today. So that is the purpose of the construction joint. Okay? Because it is a big problem or a big repair if ever there is a lot of cracks in the slabs. And also it's not good to see these cracks passing everywhere. So this is the reason that construction joint is really needed. So after this, we will apply a sealant. So you see the concrete cutter there. So he started to cut this portion. So generally, the purpose of the cutting of the construction joint is to avoid cracking, because the concrete will look for a weak area, and then that is the area where the cracks begin. So we need to avoid that one. So that's all for today. This is Engineer Raman Soakas. Thank you very much, and God bless us all always.